Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the KOHO Essential Prepaid Mastercard, a versatile, fee-free spending card that could be a great alternative to traditional credit cards and debit cards. I'll walk you through the features, costs, pros and cons, and help you decide if this card is a good choice for 2024. Stick around till the end where I'll also share some alternatives. Alright, let's get into it. KOHO is a Canadian fintech company aiming to provide an accessible and user-friendly alternative to traditional banking. And with their Essential card, they offer a prepaid MasterCard that acts like a debit and credit card combined. You load money onto it just like a prepaid card, but you can still use it wherever MasterCard is accepted. Plus, it's packed with features like cashback on everyday purchases, budgeting tools, and financial insights. The Essential Card's key draw is that it has no monthly fees, making it a budget-friendly option, especially for those looking to save on banking fees. Now let's talk about the main features of the KOHO Essential Prepaid Mastercard. KOHO has set up the Essential Card to be user-friendly and loaded with perks. Here are the big ones. No annual or monthly fees. KOHO's Essential Card has zero annual or monthly fees. You won't be paying just to keep the card open, which is a huge plus compared to many credit cards out there with high annual fees. 1% cashback on select purchases. For everyday items like groceries, dining, and transportation, you get 1% cashback. This cashback feature is automatic, and it can be especially useful for those who prefer using prepaid cards and want rewards without diving into the credit card world. Savings and roundups. KOHO offers a neat roundup feature that can help build your savings effortlessly. Essentially, it rounds up each transaction to the nearest dollar and puts the difference into your savings. Over time, this can add up and help you save without even noticing. Budgeting and financial insights. KOHO's app, which works seamlessly with the card, has built-in tools to track spending, set goals, and budget. For users trying to get better control over their finances, this could be a game changer, allowing them to see where their money is going in real time. Early payroll. Another unique feature is early payroll. If you set up direct deposit, KOHO allows you to access your paycheck a few days early. This could be helpful for anyone looking to ease the cash flow between paydays. Now let us talk about the pricing. We'll go over the costs associated with the KOHO Essential Prepaid Mastercard. The good news is that, like earlier said, there's no annual or monthly fee for the Essential card, which is a huge advantage. However, it's worth noting that there are some add-ons available if you want a bit more from your KOHO experience. For example, foreign transaction fee. There's a 1% foreign exchange fee when you make transactions outside of Canada. While this is fairly low compared to traditional credit cards, it's something to keep in mind if you frequently travel or shop internationally. Optional premium upgrade. KOHO also offers a premium version, which gives you 2% cashback on groceries, dining, and transportation, and reduces the foreign transaction fee to zero. This comes at a cost of $9 per month or $84 annually. So if you spend heavily in these categories, the premium option may be worth exploring. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the KOHO Essential Prepaid Mastercard. First, we talk about the pros. It is fee-free. There is no monthly or annual fees, and this makes it affordable. Cashback rewards. 1% cashback on select everyday categories is a nice touch for a prepaid card. Budgeting tools. Integrated financial tools and insights within the KOHO app make tracking, spending, and setting budgets easy. Savings roundup. Automated roundups help save money gradually. Great for building a small savings buffer. Early access to payroll. For those on direct deposit, early payroll access can improve cash flow timing. How about the cons? Limited cashback. The 1% cashback is only on select categories, so you won't get rewards on all purchases. Foreign transaction fee. The 1.5% fee on foreign transactions may be a downside for frequent travelers. No credit building. Because it's a prepaid card, it won't help build your credit score, which could be a deal breaker for those looking to build or repair credits. So, is the KOHO Essential Prepaid Mastercard worth it in 2024? Well, this card is best suited for those looking for a flexible, fee-free spending option without the need for credits. It's a great solution for anyone looking to avoid credit cards and monthly banking fees while still earning a little cash back on their everyday purchases. If you want solid spending control and budgeting insights without worrying about credit card debt, KOHO Essential could be an excellent fit. The lack of a foreign exchange fee waiver, however, makes it less ideal for frequent international travelers, and since it's a prepaid card, it won't impact your credits. So it's really best for those prioritizing low fees and practical spending over credit building. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Stack Prepaid Mastercard, Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, and Neo Financial Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.